how to remove age restriction on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove age restriction on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes when you open the TikTok application, most likely you'll have the age restriction error, and what do you do if you want to fix those? One of the easiest way to fix those is by just first of all tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, tapping the three lines icon, going to settings and privacy. Then you simply want to go to this option called content preferences, as you can find here, and then at the top you can find restricted mode. You want to make sure that the restricted mode is basically turned off, because when sometimes this is turned on, you'll most likely get those restrictions error. The other is because you have to change the date of birth and then make sure that at least you're over 18 years of age. To do this, again, just tap the three lines icon and then go to settings and privacy, go to account, and then go to account information, and then just go to date of birth. And when you go to date of birth, just make sure to choose a date of birth or the birthday that will at least make you over 18 years of age. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.